App install but not showing on home screen, problem solved on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. That is, app you have installed the app but it is not showing on your mobile phone or on your home screen. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, this is a very simple method I'm going to show you. So what you need to do here, you just need to go to your phone settings, and after going to phone settings, here I'm doing this on my Realme, but this is same to other device. Let me just explain you what you have to do. You have to just scroll down here, and then after scrolling down here you'll find an option app management, or in other phone you will find install apps or apps. So just click on app management, and then here this type of interface will pop up. So here what you need to do, you have to click on the option app list. So you can see app list on the top, simply tap here, and then this type of interface will pop up. These are the application which has been installed to your phone, but if it is not showing on your home screen, what you need to do here, you can see here 2 days on the top right corner. Here this is the one, 2 days on the top right corner. Yeah, this is for Realme, I'm showing you for Realme, so I'm gonna say you for other phone also. So here you can see show system, simply tap on show system, and then here you have to search for SYSTM system launcher, LAUNCHER. Okay, so you can see system launcher, simply tap on system launcher, and then here you can see force stop button, simply tap on force stop, and then you have to stop the first. So after stopping the first, what you need to do, you have to click on storage usage, simply tap on storage usage, and then you have to clear the data and also the cache. You have to clear the data as well as the cache. So now just go back, and here you can see the option permissions. Simply tap on permissions, and then you have to allow both the permission, and then go back, and then your problem will solve. And then second thing what you have to do, you have to type system, sorry, you have to type COLO, sorry, COLOROS, colors system. Okay, so this is the one in the top, simply tap here, and you have to do the same here. You have to stop the first, click on storage usage, and then you have to clear the cache as well as the data, and then it's done. So here just go back and it's done. So now for other phone, you have to just go to this option, and then you have to just search for one app. So here it is not there, one app. So there will be option for other phone, one app. Just go there and enable the system app. So this is something easy, and I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.